Well, they say it takes a village, and that's definitely the case with so many researchers with experiments on the space station. A station research facility has begun conducting the fourth in a series of experiments to study plasma crystals. Now, PK4 is an experiment that studies complex plasmas. Plasmas are ionized gases that are produced by high temperatures, like from the sun or electric fields. Well, today we learn about PK4's objectives and how operators at the CADMOS Control Center in France are helping.
PK4, it stands for Plasma Crystal 4, and it's basically a chamber to create plasma under microgravity. And what is really interesting is that it's a cooperation between ESA and Roscosmos in Russia, and it will be done in the European module Columbus. The other particularity is that it's not an experiment with one scientist, it's a laboratory, and the experiments are led by a consortium of scientists from entire Europe and also from Russia. So it's a good cooperation. And from NASA, of course, from the United States. And these people are working all together, and they have some slots, so some campaigns, approximately 4 times a year, where they can design a custom scientific protocol, upload it on board in this laboratory, and study how plasma can react under microgravity and manipulate all this plasma and physical parameters to get very good science. We are only uploading a script via our facility in CADMOS. So how does that work? The scientists, they work on a scientific script, so some programming, and we upload it on board a few days before the experiment, and everything is done from ground. Scientists sit next to us and can say, okay, put more DC voltage, and we do that, and we can see the plasma moving in real time. Don't know if it's clear.
First of its kind study?
For plasma, not, because it's Plasma Crystal 4, so I'll let you guess that there were Plasma Crystal 1, 2, 3. But I think it's the first time that we have a cooperation with so many partners. Usually it was more on Russian side.
What's it like to know that you're working with the International Space Station?
It's great. It's a big honor. I'm very happy, and this kind of event reminds me that it's really an international cooperation. So I'm feeling really proud of it. And I had lots of happiness to work with the International Space Station.
What do you actually do?
My job is to help the European scientists, or for international collaboration, international scientists, to have them experiment realized on board. So basically I work with them to elaborate experiment concepts, and sometimes we develop some hardware, we qualified some hardware for space, we develop all the operational scenario and products to have this experiment done on board. And then on the big day we are supporting the experiment and science session from ground, from CADMOS in France. And after that we are delivering to the PI all the data so that they can have good science results.
So you're the POIC of France?
I'm totally the POIC of France, the small POIC of France.